let me ask you something. How do you start your mornings? Like this, or this?
The best way to start your morning? No doubt it's with a cup of coffee. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the world famous Vietnamese coffee. I have this one with me. It's called Trung Nguyen coffee. Not sure that's how it's pronounced. There are a lot of famous brands in Vietnam. Put it in the comment which one is your favorite. I'm gonna use this one. This is what I like the most. And then I've got condensed milk from Mina Milk. It's also very common here. And then in Vietnam, Caphe Phin. This is the hero. This is the filter they use in while making coffee. So let me show you how it's done. First step, let's add condensed milk. It depends on how much sugar you want it to be. Alright. A little bit more, I guess. There it is. Next, put the Phin here on top of the cup. Then the next one. Alright. Now we're gonna add the coffee. It smells so good. 1, 2. That's like 3 spoons of coffee. Goodness, it's a lot. Next thing, we add the top here. Now we're gonna add hot water. I'm gonna add a little bit first. Look at that. So it just drips down, gets to the whole coffee powder first. Yep, and then add more. That'll be enough, I guess. Now we gotta wait for this to drip down. See that? Looks like a mustache. Alright, so the water has dripped off. There's nothing left up here. Let's remove this. It's hot, be careful. Look at that. The next stage, we have to stir it. Let's do it. Got my spoon. Let's stir it nicely. Finally, I've got a glass full of ice. Put the coffee into the ice. That's it. Coffee into the ice into the coffee. I don't know. The same question of milk into the cereal or cereal into the milk. But you know, there is only one answer. This is it, guys. Look at that. Taste test. So good. It's gonna make you wide awake. Best thing for the morning, evening, or whatever it is. If you want to be super active, super awake, highly recommended. Thank you so much, guys. Do try this at home and let me know how it goes. Goodbye. See you in the next video.